All right, your Bible verse for today is 1 Corinthians 15:52, which says, "In a flash, in the twinkling of an eye, at the last trumpet, for the trumpet will sound, the dead will be raised imperishable, and we will be changed." And that is also your Bible verse this week. All right, so today we are on math lesson 106, evaluating expressions. So write this in your journal. And it's page 671. And while you're waiting, it is always good to just review this top half, 1/2 of 24. The way that we find that is by division. We divide 24 divided by 2, and that will give us our answer. 1/3 of 24, we divide 24 by 3. 1/4, 24 divided by 4. Multiplication, we know how to do estimation. Calculation, to kind of remember our squares and our square roots. All right. What is the value of the following expression? N plus 7. So the value of the expression depends on the value of n. If we know n, we can evaluate the expression by adding 7 to n. All right, so in our notes, we're going to write n plus 7. Question mark. We don't know what that equals because we don't have n or the answer. So evaluate. What we're doing is we're evaluating these today. All right. So if r is 5, what's the value of these expressions? All right. So I'm going to go to a new page. And I am going to write them down. So we know now that r equals 5. So normally we solve for r, n, or j, or k, or whatever the letter is. But right now they're going to give it to us. R is 5, and we have to figure out what the expressions equal. So our first one, it says r plus 3. Our second one, r minus 3. And our third one is 3r. All we're going to do is take our 5, plug it in for r. So 5 plus 3, 5 minus 3. And when we have a number and a letter, that means we multiply. Okay, 5 plus 3 is 8. 5 minus 3 is 2. And 3 times 5 is 15. That's all we do. That is it. I'm going to start the lesson practice problems. You need to also do these on your own, along with the problems in the written practice that it tells you in your daily pacing guide to do. So we can look real fast at what that is for you guys. Wrong one. So we're on Monday, May 4th. You are doing even problems along with the lesson practice problems. All right, so our first one, letter A, says that m equals 12. So if m equals 12, what is m minus 10? All we do is we put 12 in for m, and we take 10 away, and it equals 2. I'm going to do B with you. B says evaluate A plus B. A plus B. A equals 9 plus B, which is 15. So all we're going to do is add those. And if we remember our tricks with adding 10, we know that 15 plus 10 would be 25. So we just take 1 away and we get 24. That is all evaluating expressions is. So hopefully that was simple enough for you. So finish lesson practice and then do